Islamic quiz. Allah was so pleased with the readiness of Ibrahim to sacrifice his son. It is a day of celebration. What is the day called? Eid al Azha is the right answer. The first woman martyr of Islam was Sumayya bint Khattab. At which age did Prophet married? At the age of 25. Muharram is the dash month of Islamic calendar. It's the first month. Which is the Islamic month comes after Rajab? It's Shaban. Allah's Messenger Muhammad ﷺ said, Allah has 99 names, and who has memorized them by heart will enter paradise. What does Zamzam means? Stop, stop.